we're going to confirm that a chemical reaction actually happened by placing each of my reactant in a beaker, and I need to, let's see if this works, plus what I've created. So I'm just going to flake it off of here, and you want actually a 1/4 teaspoon, but I'm just going to go ahead and dump the whole thing because that's kind of close to a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to put it all in there. So if I made a chemical reaction, my product should have different properties than my reactants. And let me get some water. So we're going to test for solubility. So the solubility of my sodium bicarbonate, and I'm put about the same, so that's about 10 milliliters. I'm going to swirl. I've almost got all of it to dissolve. I'm going to let that sit, and I'll come back and continue swirling. I'm going to have this go a little faster. Okay, here's my calcium chloride, my other reactant. This has got a little chunk in it. Oh, does it? There's that. Okay, no, it's gone. Okay. So I'm going to swirl that. So that looks nice and dissolved. Okay. Still got a little bit in here. Touch more water. Okay, that looks nice and dissolved. They're both nice and clear. Okay, now I'm going to add my calcium chloride. And first off, what I notice, so the color is from the red cabbage juice, so we're going to not worry about the color difference. But we're going to notice I don't have a nice clear solution. And I'm not able to dissolve my product. If I filtered it out, I'd end up with the same thing in the filter paper and water on the other side. So, reactants are soluble. Product, which is something totally, completely different, is going to have different properties. So, soluble, insoluble. Not soluble, does not dissolve in water. Dissolves in water, does not dissolve in water. So that's kind of one way I can prove that a chemical reaction actually happened.